Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, a warm welcome to you. The word Swede might make you think of Sweden. Yes, you are right. Swede is a native of Sweden, or an inhabitant of Sweden is a Swede. The word Swede also has another meaning, a vegetable. Yes, Swede is a root vegetable, large, sturdy, and full of character. In the United States, it goes by another name, Rutabaga. Despite its impressive resume, the Swede is often overlooked, which is a shame because this humble root has more aliases than a secret agent. Rutabaga, Swedish turnip, and in Scotland and in parts of northern England, it is known as neeps or sometimes just turnip, though it is nothing like the smaller white one you might be thinking of. But the Swede is not just about names, it is about nutrition. Packed with vitamin C and naturally lower in carbohydrates, it is a brilliant alternative to potatoes and a smart choice for anyone watching their carbs. And here is where things get spooky. Before pumpkins stole the spotlight, sweets were the original stars of Halloween, carved into eerie faces and glowing from candlelight. They sat in windows, daring evil spirits to stay away. The original jack-o'-lantern, you are looking at it. Today, the Swede has traded scares for flavor. With the right recipe and a little imagination, it becomes a delicious, comforting side dish. Mash it on its own, or blend it with potatoes, or mix it with other root vegetables. And suddenly, the underdog of the vegetable world takes center stage. So, next time you see a Swede, don't underestimate it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those in between, I thank you for your presence and your time. Wishing you peace and prosperity.